Can a pocket knife truly be both featherlight and built like a tank? This Ruike M875TZ might just be the answer we've been looking for. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about this Ruike tactical folding pocket knife is its incredible balance of weight and construction. The TC4 titanium alloy handle isn't just a fancy name. It feels genuinely premium in the hand, offering a comfortable grip while keeping the overall weight surprisingly low. It's a testament to thoughtful engineering, making it a joy to carry without feeling like a burden. Then there's the blade, a 3.5-inch marvel of N690 stainless steel. It arrives razor sharp, ready for action, and the noble bead blast finish gives it a sophisticated, almost understated look. But aesthetics aside, the performance is what truly shines. Thanks to its buttery smooth ball bearing flipper, deploying the blade is an absolute pleasure. Fast, fluid, and incredibly satisfying. There's no blade wobble whatsoever, and it's perfectly centered, which speaks volumes about the quality control. Security is paramount with any tool like this, and Ruike has gone the extra mile with their double safety Beta Plus lock. This isn't just your standard frame lock. It adds an extra layer of assurance, preventing the blade from accidentally closing during use. For anyone relying on their gear in the outdoors, whether camping, hunting, or in an emergency, that peace of mind is invaluable. Despite its robust build, an 8.19-inch full length, which some might consider a little large, it folds down to a very manageable 4.69 by 1.12 by 0.48 inches. The deep big belt clip makes it incredibly easy to carry, disappearing into your pocket or onto your belt without snagging. It's designed for practical, everyday carry, making it a fantastic utility EDC knife. Whether you're looking for a reliable companion for your next outdoor adventure, a survival tool, or just a genuinely useful gift for a husband, dad, or father, this Ruike M875TZ delivers. It's a blend of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and dependable performance. This knife isn't just a tool, it feels like an extension of your capability. In summary, the Ruike M875TZ is an outstanding piece of gear. It combines lightweight portability with serious cutting power and robust safety features, making it an exceptional choice for anyone needing a dependable, high-performance folding knife.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.